Hey guys, Rich Vicini here, your YouTube vlog creator. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to remove backgrounds in Filmora 13. That's coming up. Stick around. Okay, so here we are at Filmora 13, and this is the latest version. And I'm going to just go through it really quick, so I hope you guys can stick around. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I'm going to go to global media over here, and I'm going to pick out a video. Well, it's actually a snapshot of me, and we'll use this guy right here. Okay, we're going to drop it in the timeline as like so. Okay, and I'm going to have to move myself out of here for a second. I'm going to move myself right over here. You're going to see 2 ways to do this here. Now, first thing you want to do, let me get this back up here again. There we go, just so we can see where we are. Let's just keep this at a clean canvas. We'll keep it over there for argument's sake. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here where it says AI Tools. Now, I know I did a video earlier about this here, but I want to show you another way. What I think is easier. I think actually the AI Portrait is a lot easier when it comes to removing backgrounds. I'm going to show you the both comparisons with it. This is going to be with the AI Portrait. Okay? We're going to come over here. I'm going to click this on. Boom. It's out. Okay? Now, with this here, you're going to see over here, it's going to say edge thickness. What you want to do is you go out a little like this here, and you bring it back like this here. I've seen some people like that. Some video or YouTube creators, they might leave it a little like that there, for whatever reason. Maybe they like the look of it. I don't know. It's kind of nice to look, I guess. But I always like to try to get it as close as possible to me where it looks good. Okay, so that's one way. All right, really cut and dry. And again, if you want to go back to the other one, just uncheck it, and there you go. All right, so remember, that's done with AI Portrait. Now let's go back over here. That same thing here, we're going to go down here to Smart Cutout. Smart Cutout's okay. I mean, I like it. It's a little, not too much, but I think the AI Portrait's a lot easier. You're going to click it on, and it's going to bring you to this window over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to follow this here, and you can make the brush size as thick as you want it. Okay, you can make it as thick as you want, as thin as you want it as well. Okay, so we'll keep it like that for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here like this. It's a little involved, you know, like this here, and you go like this. All right, I'm going slow because I'm trying to give you the full effect of it. Okay, like this here. And we'll go across here. It's not perfect, folks, but just to give you a little idea what it's all about. You're going to have that there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to save it. And that's another way of doing it. Rather than going to the AI Portrait, this is the AI Portrait, and this is the other one. Look over here. Look around here. Okay, this is AI Portrait, which gives a nice, pretty clean look. This is with the Smart Cutout. See a little over here? So I like the AI Portrait because it gives it a lot cleaner look. And some of that there could still be done with the edge thickness too. That little white stuff there, see like that there? You could also make it a little better. Okay, remember, and when you're doing it, don't do too much because you're going to start cutting yourself off. You make yourself look a little silly like that. So just try to, keep it like that. What I usually do when I use the AI Portrait one, I'll go out, like I said earlier, I go out a little with it. On this one here, I think I'm on, let me see, I think I'm on, there we go. Yeah, I guess it's like locked in there now. But you could always clean it up like that. That's because the Smart Cutout's on. See? If the Smart Cutout's on, you're not going to be able to do too much of the modification. If you did it like that, you want to try it out for yourself, you take this off, and then you could do the edge thickness here. Okay, that's what I usually do. I go out, and then I bring it in. And the whole idea is to get rid of the white, make it look as natural as possible. Okay, so there's 2 ways to do it. Okay, you go to Smart Cutout, if you want to go that route, or you could do it the AI Portrait, which I like the AI Portrait better. And then again, you could always go back over here. We'll go to the media thing here, and we could always add a background. Let's see if we can get this over here, like this here. It's cut and dry. Boom. Look at that. Okay. And if you find that the picture's a little short, okay, let me just move myself over here, like this here. If you find this picture, let's say, for example, this doesn't meet all the way, or you want to expand it a little, come over here. It says Basic. Hit the little padlock here. And you're going to get the little bar, these little cubes over here, okay? And what you could do is, let's say you want to expand this a little more. So you could do it that way, make it bigger. Get that out all the way like that if you want. And you could also go down as well. You want to make the landscape, the background bigger for whatever reason. And then you can put yourself back in there again. Okay? And if you ever want to make snapshots, if you like the picture the way it came out, let's say you like this background here, really cut and dry. What you're going to do here is this, come over here with this little camera. Let's go to back over here. And what you want to do is you want to click this on the little camera. Wait, let's make sure we get that out of there. We don't want that there. Okay. Yeah, try not to, if necessary, advance it a little so you get rid of those lines. See, if it's too much back here, you know, in some case you could have those lines. But what you want to do is, you want to make sure the line's gone, of course. And then click the little camera here. Respond to this here, snapshot. It's going to snapshot format. It's going to be PNG. You click it on. It's going to go in your folder here. And now, what you could do is get rid of these two things here. You don't need that. And drop this guy right here, and boom, you got it. And then you can put your titles up here, whatever you want to use it for, you know. That's up to you. Well, that's all I have for you right now, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.